Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today we're gonna open this 17, 18 NBA hoops. I think this is a Dollar Tree pack. Yep. We're looking for the Tatum and Mitchell rookie. Alonzo too. But before that, I'm gonna show you guys what I got from the mail this past few weeks. Haven't checked what's inside yet. So I put it all in there. Oh, this is the one I ordered. I got a steal with this Russell Westbrook Select Prism Concourse. I got these for like $2. So yeah, it's put this on the side. What's in this? Oh, this is the Keldon Johnson rookie prism. I got this for $1. So I think that's a steal. Especially Keldon Johnson is becoming I don't know, I think he's good. So I decided to look up some of his cards and found this deal. No, I think I won it on a bid. So Keldon Johnson. Let me see. Yep. I'm gonna check in later, see if, like, all the edges and centering looks fine, I guess. Get some next one. Some of this I want on the break. Like this one breaks. I got the Portland Trailblazers, like a 3-box mixer. But I only got Hassan Whiteside out of that, so he gave me like extra cards since I didn't get any. Okay, Lillard. PC Lillard, Curry, LeBron, and Ball. Both balls. Lonzo and LaMelo Ball. Oh, I got Jazz on this. Oh, yeah, I forgot about this. Prism. Udoka Azubuike. That's it, guys. And then this one. Oh, this is the Curry and the Lillard. Curry and Lillard. Also PC Westbrook, yeah, Westbrook. So Curry, Lillard, Westbrook, LeBron, and Lonzo. Concourse and the premier level of Damian Lillard. I got these both for $1 plus $1 shipping, so $2. I don't know. I think it's a pretty good steal. There's 3. Plus Keldon Johnson. Alright, so enough of that. what I got in the mail recently. Now, let's try to get some rookie out of this class. We have a DeMar DeRozan, Lou Williams, Wade Baldwin, Fort. I thought it was the Tatum. Harry Giles in jelly. I don't know. Man, I thought that was a Tatum. I think the Aaron Fox is in this class too. So I think Bam Adebayo is in this class. Paul Zipser. Zach Randolph. Rodney Stuckey. Is this a guaranteed rookie in every pack? No, John Wall. Rookie from the Hornets. Dwayne Bacon. So guys, no Lonzo, no Tatum, Mitchell. There you guys go. Nothing too crazy. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll give away something when I reach 500 subscribers. Maybe some Zion rookie cards or a sealed product. I don't know yet. But when we get there, I'll announce it. Alright, catch you in the next one. Peace.